Welcome everybody to ASGCT 2022 here in Washington, D.C. I'm Greg Slobakin, Editor-in-Chief of ScienceBoard.net, and I'm here with Pat Ritschel, who is with Atsena Therapeutics, and welcome.
Thanks, great to be here, thank you.
It's great to be here. Tell me, just in terms of location, I mean, we're here in Washington, D.C. at ASGCT, but your company is based in North Carolina in the Research Triangle.
That's correct. So we've been in North Carolina since our inception, and we've got offices and labs right there in RTP.
And so being in that environment, how has that fostered, the company's innovation? How has that been beneficial?
So that's been good for us. This is the second company that I've worked with, or third company actually down in the RTP area. Great place to be, strong network of folks available from an employee perspective, great recruiting out of the universities, and so we're able to get really good talent and build a company there. We're very pleased.
Gotcha. So you're a gene therapy company.
Correct.
And what diseases are you focused on and why?
Yeah, so we are an ophthalmology-based gene therapy company. We're working on inherited retinal diseases. Our lead program is LCA1, and that's in a phase 1/2 clinical trial, and we've got 2 preclinical programs, our XLRS program and our Usher's type 1B program.
Very good. And so what are the limitations currently for gene therapy as you see it?
So I think gene therapy broadly, I think we're learning a lot. The field is still relatively young. Within the eye itself, I think we're working on the approach to solve the delivery issue and getting the vector to the right cell types. And so one of the technologies that we have is a laterally spreading vector that we could administer in one location in the eye, and it'll spread and cover the entire retina. So I think that's one of the ways we're working to help solve the delivery issue.
And you've got clinical 1 and clinical 2 trials ongoing currently. Can you talk a little bit about those?
Sure. So we've got one phase 1 clinical trial, and that's our LCA1 program, phase 1/2. And so we're looking to finish enrollment here in the near future, and we'll hopefully be able to report results maybe at this time next year.
And in terms of the diseases, I mean, these are inherited diseases primarily that you're working on?
Correct. Yes.
They are, and some are childhood diseases, and some are adult as well.
So these are all childhood diseases. So they're inherited retinal diseases. These are monogenic disorders, and it really is childhood blindness. If you want to boil it down in a non-technical way, what we're working on is childhood blindness.
Very good. And in terms of your pipeline, and are there certain products that you see on the horizon?
Sure. So our most advanced program, our LCA1 program, obviously would be the first to move through. We're pleased that there have been others in the space before us who've had success. Certainly Luxturna as an approved product now for several years sort of gives us a path through the regulatory process, and we're looking to move our program, our LCA1 program, through that as rapidly as we can.
Very good. Well, listen, it's great to meet you, Pat.
Great to meet you as well.
Appreciate your time. And
all right.
We'll see you.
All right. Thank you.
Thanks, everyone.